everyone. Today is Wednesday, and I'm posting the last assignments for math for the school year, so that's kind of exciting. What you're going to see today in your assignment is 2 Google Docs, and I want you to know a couple of really important key things here. One is that you are only responsible for completing one of these today and one of them tomorrow. However, some of you have requested that I give you both because you were looking ahead and had some busy things going on this week. So I'm putting them both here, but I don't want anyone to feel like they have to get them both done in one day. Second thing I want to talk about is that this is an assessment of work you've done throughout the year. So we need you to really work carefully on these. They're not long. They're 10 questions each, so that's 20 altogether over the course of the 2 days. But it's really important that you don't have any help on them. And that includes devices, calculators, so on, like looking stuff up as far as resources, but also help from other people. So in remote learning, it's tricky because we are not really able to assess you or check in with you unless we're working one-on-one. And your teachers have done that for the most part already. We know how you're doing when we meet with you one-on-one. What you're doing today and tomorrow for math is not graded based on the quality. It's not graded based on the answers being correct or incorrect. What you're getting graded on is completing it to the best of your ability without help. And the reason that that's happening is because we want to be able to see what you remember from this year and where you're going to be starting out next year, okay? It's important for the 4th grade teachers and also the 5th grade teachers to see that. And it's really, there's nothing wrong with not remembering something important about, say, geometry. I'd rather you give it your best shot and take a guess if you have no idea, than to have somebody like whisper the answer in your ear or even just sort of guide you through it. There's this thing that happens, I call it like the sweet spot. So there's such a thing as you know, not enough support, and then there's such a thing as too much support. And what I want you to do is I want you to give the effort as if it's a test that counts. And in other words, don't just say, hey, I don't have to worry too much if these are right or wrong, so I'm just going to guess, I'm going to put numbers in. No, I really want you to try. I really want you to try your best on this, but also know that the pressure isn't there to get it right. And that if someone's helping you or just even halfway helping you, that's not really helping you. It's not helping us to know where you are. And it doesn't help us to really assess what you might remember from your studies of measurement and geometry. So anyway, the first document is geometry and measurement. So you're going to go back to having questions, some questions on different shapes and angles and things like that. And then measurement, which is what we started with in remote learning, converting, you know, inches to meters or centimeters to millimeters, that sort of thing. And then the second document is a review of all 4 operations. So addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. And again, 10 problems on each doc, 20 altogether. Math is done for 4th grade. Okay, so try your best, no help, and I will see you later, alligator.